Hello, my name is Jasmine McDonald and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new here, hello, you may as well subscribe. Today's video, I want to show you guys what a ballerina slash ballet teacher wears in a week, kind of like the 7 days of 7 looks, videos that you see like Glamour and Vogue posts. So I wanted to show you what a ballet teacher and a ballerina realistically wear in a week. Now, first we have Monday. Monday nights I teach from 4 p.m. until 9:45, so it's a very long night. Very fun and long night, but in the mornings usually I'm just in PJs like this, and then to actually go to class I usually wear my favorite Lululemon Align leggings paired with either the sweater that comes from my work, because I have a staff sweater from my work, but I won't wear that today for privacy purposes. But I also, actually today's Tuesday, so I wore this outfit yesterday. I also wear this top from Halara, and then on top I wear the sweater depending on how cold it is, but this top is actually quite a really flattering cut because it goes right to the high-waisted leggings and I don't feel like anything is showing too much, like my midriff or whatever. And then on top of the sweater, if it's cold, I will wear this white vest. I wore this last night for the majority of the beginning of the classes because it was very, very cold. And then on top, just because I do teach minis and little kids, I like to wear a little ballet skirt. And then the shoes I of course wear are staple teacher shoes, which you guys have seen in what I bring in my dance bag, so I'll put that in the link in description as well as in the cards up here. But this outfit is what I would wear on Mondays. It's comfortable, it's movable, and that's really what you want as a dance teacher and a dancer. Especially as a dance teacher, you want to be appropriate, and that's the reason I wear the skirt on top a lot of the time, because I want to set a good example for my students and I don't want to be inappropriate, so I try to make my outfits as inspiring and as appropriate as I possibly can. What makes me comfortable, what makes everybody comfortable, and yeah, that's what I wear on Monday. Sometimes instead of wearing the sweater, because the sweater for my work is one of those really thick ones, I'll wear like this black sweater that I have. It's actually more of like a workout jacket. It's actually from Walmart. It looks like one of those really expensive ones from Lulu or from Nike, but without the check mark obviously, but it's really comfortable and it's from Walmart, so I wear this outfit on Monday. Now, Tuesdays, I teach at home from 4 p.m. until 9:30 p.m. In the morning, sometimes I will have classes, but actually today's Tuesday and it's like 10 a.m. and I'm still in my pajamas. But usually for Tuesdays, because I'm at home, I can wear a leotard, so I will pick out a leotard such as this, and all my classes are dance classes as well. I try to not wear a leotard if it's not a dance class because, I don't know, they're just not as comfortable as wearing just like regular leggings. So instead of this, I could sometimes wear like leggings and or a sports bra and then a top over top, like on Mondays I do. But on Tuesdays, usually I do try to wear a leotard because I have like 60 leotards. If you guys haven't watched my leotard hauls, I have so many leotards. Since I'm not professionally dancing anymore, I try to incorporate them within my weeks as much as possible. And this is the one I'm going to be wearing today, and I'm going to pair it up with this skirt I have from Aerie. It's a really pretty green color, and it has shorts underneath too, so you don't have to worry about flashing anybody. And for shoes, because I am working at home, I will wear my ballet slippers because I'm teaching ballet all day. I don't think I have a class on Tuesdays that isn't dance. Let me think. I have one stretching class, but it's only 30 minutes, so I wear a ballerina-like outfit and my hair slicked back as I do right now, as I have it right now. So this is what I wear for Tuesday, and then my earrings I just wear throughout the week. They're the exact same earrings I had in my last video. They're the Majuri ones, and I will put a video in the description as well of me on the Majuri earrings. For Wednesday, I am at home, but Wednesday's my workout day because I don't have that many classes on Wednesday, and usually I teach in person, but lately that's been canceled. So for Wednesday, because I teach workout classes, I go full Lululemon. I recycle the Align leggings because I really only wear them for one day and then I let them air out. I try not to wash them too often just so they don't lose their quality, which they don't, but I also just, you don't need to do like 10 loads of laundry a week, you know what I'm saying? So I wear this Lululemon Align top paired with my Lululemon Align leggings, which looks really cute together. It almost looks like a whole set, which I love. And if I don't wear this, I will wear my Kaz Designs Leo as well, because Wednesdays, like I said, is my workout day. I only have workout classes on Wednesday. I work from, I think my first class is 9 a.m. and then I finish at 5, but all of the classes are pretty much workout except for one dance class. And during that one dance class, since I'm already in like the black leggings, the black top, I just throw on the exact same skirt I wore in Monday classes, and this skirt is from Marilla and it's a perfect length. It's not too long, it's not too short, so I'll wear that on top. And Wednesdays I also teach primarily at home, so that's why I like to stay really comfortable, so I wear these leggings and that top to match. And then if I don't wear that, I wear my Kaz Designs Leo because Again, I teach workout classes, but I also like to work out myself. So most of the time, Wednesdays are the days I take ballet classes online. I either take Catherine Morgan's bar or I do my very own, which you guys have seen in my vlogs. Most of the time I vlog on Wednesday too, because that's the most interesting day in my opinion, because a lot of the other days I obviously can't vlog my students. So I like to vlog Wednesdays, and that's when I dance as well. So I like to be comfortable, cute. So I wear that on Wednesday. On Thursday, now Thursdays are another day where I'm at the dance studio all day and all evening. I don't think I have many classes in the day except for one workout class. I usually work from 12 until 2 on Thursday, and then I scoot my butt to the studio where I work from 4 until 9:30. So I wear this sports bra a lot of the time. This is what I'm gonna wear this week as well. I'm gonna wear this sports bra, which is from Old Navy, which is really shiny and really nice quality. It's high cut, so it makes me feel comfortable, and I think it's very studio appropriate. And then these pants I actually got from Walmart. Again, from Walmart, they're so comfortable. They're such nice quality. I don't know the exact brand. Let's see. They're Athletic Works. So they're like, I don't know if they're a super well-known brand, but they're flare pants, which is really comfy because sometimes the studio can be a little bit chilly. So wear these two things paired together, and then usually a sweater like this cropped turtleneck that I got from H&M that goes really nicely together. So I'll wear this outfit together. And because I do teach in the studio, again, I have my ballet teacher shoes, which are super easy to slide on and off. Like if I want to show my students more footwork, how to articulate through the demi pointe, if they're in pointe shoes or regular shoes, I can slip these off super easily because they're slip on and slip off. And then if I'm feeling a little bit extra that evening, usually I don't wear a skirt at this studio just because sometimes I teach like hip hop those nights and I can't wear a ballet skirt in hip hop. So I will take this skirt in my bag anytime, anywhere, even if I'm not teaching that night. I just take it with me no matter what. It's always sitting in my bag. I'll take this on Thursday. On Friday, I don't have that many classes on Friday, and most of my classes are, again, workout classes, and I want to be a little bit fun because Friday is another day that I like to do my own classes. So this Friday, I'm going to wear this Lululemon sports bra that has this really cool cutout at the front, and then also at the back, it has all these straps that look super, super cool. So I'll wear this Friday, and then underneath that, I'm going to wear my Halara skirt. Also doubles as a skirt because it has the shorts underneath with the pockets. So this is what I will wear on Friday. Because I am at home, I will wear ballet slippers once again with this outfit. And if it gets a little bit chilly, I do like to this sweater I also have from La Vie en Rose, and I have matching leggings too, which I still need to find, but it's really comfy. It's the same cut as the Lulu ones, a little bit less tapered, and I like it because it's a little bit more wiggle room friendly. Like if you have a really big lunch, you don't feel like this jacket's suffocating you in. So I love this jacket. It also has those fun sleeves with the finger holes, if you know what I mean. And then the pockets on the side and on the inside. So if I'm teaching and I have it open, I can slide my phone and out, or if I want to go on a walk with Elsa. Dog bags. So when she does her duties, I'm prepared. And yeah, that's what I would wear on Friday. And obviously if I have to leave the house, it's still kind of winterish in Canada, I would just throw a pair of leggings on top or like a pair of pants really easily. For Saturday, I teach in the studio once again, and I teach from 9 a.m. until 2-ish p.m. And then I come back home, a little bit home, and then I teach from 2:30 until 6 p.m. So it's a long day, which means I need to be comfortable. This Saturday, I'm going to wear the exact same leggings. So I've worn them 3 times in a week, and I know what you're gonna say. 3 times in a week, that's a lot, but I usually do my laundry once a week, or I don't sweat that much in them. Plus, you shouldn't be washing them every time you wear them because it declines the quality. So I will wear my Lululemon Align leggings, the exact same ones I wore on Monday and Wednesday. So I wear these on Saturday, and this is the point where I probably wash them after wearing them 2 or 3 times in the week. And obviously I can recycle between these ones and another pair, which actually, you know what? I'm going to wear these ones this weekend because I seldom wear them outside of the house because the light color, and I'm always afraid to spill on them or something, but I'm gonna be brave and wear them on Saturday. So these flare leggings are from Aerie, and they look really tiny when you look at them, but they're very, very stretchy and movable, and I thought they would be see-through, but they're not, which is amazing. And they have that cute tapering in that goes at the waist. And I'm going to pair this top that I also have from Aerie, that's this cute pink color that I love. It has like the scalloped cut. So cute. So it also has some really nice padding on the inside that's not too overly supported. I find a lot of the time sports bras, if I'm moving around, if it's too much support, it's really uncomfortable. But this one's a little bit lighter, and then because it's lighter, I always wear a sweater on top because again, I want to be appropriate, comfortable. Usually on top of this, I will wear my dance company merch as well at the studio that I work at, which I'm not going to wear for this video because I can keep that separate. But I will wear the studio company sweater, or I would just pair on a similar sweater to the one that I wore on Saturday. Now, Sunday is my only day off, so I of course wear my pajamas as long as I can, and then if I go out for a date with Steven or something, I'll dress up a little bit, like I'll wear a pair of jeans, because I literally never wear jeans in the week. You guys saw, I'm literally always in activewear or dance wear, so I'll wear jeans, or I'll wear a skirt, something different, or this cute Halara dress, which I'm planning on wearing on Sunday because it's supposed to be a little bit warm this weekend. And you guys have probably seen my Halara video. This video is not sponsored, by the way. These are just all genuinely the clothes that I wear in the week. And this Sunday I'm gonna wear that purple dress with the shorts underneath from Halara, which you guys have seen many times, I'm sure, if you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite outfit was, and if you wear anything like this, or if you want sweet discount codes from all these places, because I have some discount codes from Halara, which I'll put in my description box as well. So definitely just go check that out. So again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, and bye now.